ngasi Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee na Manipur ki duraba tanfam masida tawjariba protest ase akoina political power ki struggle nate Youth Congress na ngasi pawda lauri base Youth Congress ki subidha gi nate akoina ngasi lauri basidi thabak phangdaba na singi amadi lairaba longmi simi ima ibel singi dabakta lauduna lakpane koi kholaw handak ta panglokiba AI Summit New Delhi da panglokiba adugumlaba summit aduda Bharat India di pumloi loi namadi karimta khapna yo thokre aikoi gi artificial intelligence ki sector da karimta ngamjadaba karimta haijadaba karimta leijadaba gum yote thangte utup patup khara pudho kan de AI Summit aita Bharat ki yam graba badi tongan ba world gi country kyam invite tori base masi India si yo thoi bani India se Narendra Modi na amadi BJP layak na BJP की शासन में अगर हाथ लगी बन गया से ताक की एडवर्टाइज की शासनी असिगुम्बा एडवर्टाइज की शासन दसिदा भारत की इज्जत मांग बता रहे अमदी ए आई ना कोई तो पीवा खुदों साब सिंह असिना कोई की ट्रेडिशनल कोई एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या मांग बता रहे हैं जुना यूथ कांग्रेस ना यामन डेमोक्रेटिक कोई मांग दा संगठन बा खुमसत अदुबु यामन तमथे बु मांग दा अतोप लाइबा म्यांमार दा बांग्लादेश ता तोबा protest na nukna biba BJP na adugum laba Narendra Modi na shirtless protest ga ida agoi da phi thong da bi wangang di base masi BJP ki oina mati Bharat miyam ki oina adugi matik laibak thibai kai ningai ni Youth Congress na ngasi bawda Bharat ikai ba bi ki ba laitri Youth Congress na Bharat ki damak da madi Bharat ta laiba praja miyam mipung khuding ki right ki damak ta struggle kya ma fight kya ma tawjun la lakpani adubu tawri ba struggle ase Osi pelak to na maram moira kanda koina puri lokho ga to shirtless protest ado madu tunglam chak na sing kanjana ba amadi Bharat ki democratic value amadi principles Bharat ki constitution kanjana bi dok to protest ni adu bo yamna ikai ni ngai ori badi pe khraba khujin mamai muk chaw go Manipur sida singa tamga changna ba yadna laiba yamna chahi ahum mi hat mi phun isa inau ke ama hat na leglo matamda BJP na nga chay bawda lambi lamdaw ko thokda protest to kide lao ko kide adubu Delhi da protest to ubi kide muktadi lamdaw ko thoka na mahila morcha BJP amadi BJY ga tawriba protest to Manipur dagi amadi Manipur miyam to kide BJP na hena ubra makoi ki macha maso sira ka su BJP ki power paining ba BJP ki adugum laba election na ba power mongar hoiba attitude do Youth Congress yaning de ajuda Narendra Modi ki phisi bai thari bani amade IYC ki president Uday Banu ji bu yam illegal oi mong protest to da phabi ba punbi ba illegal protest amade illegal arrest to bi na koida yamna custodial harassment bi se wasi Youth Congress na koi wasi yabang am ga ju ngasi koina kari samara la jeta ba state forcing abung dari se mase Youth Congress ki tabuk ta date Manipur ke future ki tabuk ti Bharat ki future ki tabuk ti अब ना कोई सीमा की दे Youth Congress ना without fearlessly we have to struggle for the democratic rights we have to struggle for the justice rights of the people rights of the youth we firmly stand with Youth Congress for the people of Manipur for the people of my native Manipuri बसी की दमक तो कोई लेप नहीं कोई सीमा की बजा दे Youth Congress ना Youth Congress ना down down BJP down down BJP down down BJP We now in protest Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee team of Youth Congress warriors strongly condemn the illegal arrest of IYC President Uday Banu and other youth leaders. This movement, this larger democratic movement is not only for Congress Party, not only for Youth Congress, it is for the sake of our people, for the rights, for the justice of my people. And one more very simple thing is BJP, Mahila Morcha and BJY team, they came out and protest against Youth Congress because of a small protest in Delhi. But they are not taking seriously of our peoples, those who die because of this conflict. We have been suffering for 3 years. Innocent people died. Houses were burned down without reason. But they never protest against this violence and illegal act. But very simple, they came out and protest against Indian Youth Congress. BJP think of in only election. BJP, they are thinking of only for powers. This is very simple. We strongly protest, we strongly condemn this BJP, BJYM team and BJP Mahila Morcha protest in Manipur. We fight for the democratic values, principles, justice and rights of the people, not for Congress party. We will fight until we get our right to justice. We will never stop fighting for the unemployed youth, for the poor farmers, for the women and children. We will never stop fighting. भारत हम सब का है, हम सब मिलकर बड़े को चलना है। मैं का हक मिलते तक will fight, will never stop fighting. Youth Congress now! Youth Congress now! BJP! BJP! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! BJP Manipur! Illegal arrest over! IYC President Baba! IYC President Baba! Youth Congress Baba!